Bear Food Kitchen, take one. Hi! I don't want to do it like yeah. Hey everybody, you are watching Bear Food Kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, tell us what you think about our videos and recipes. Today we are making chicken enchilada soup in the Instapot. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is press saute on the pressure cooker. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I love olive oil. It's my favorite to cook with, but you could use your very favorite. Whatever you wanna use is good. Avocado oil is yummy. We're gonna add 1 cup of onion. And we are gonna saute 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. I add extra because I love garlic. You could add as much as you want, but as long as you have that flavor in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and cook this, sweat it out a little bit. Okay, we're gonna cook those until they're nice and translucent. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Rub that pepper. A little bit of my, my favorite salt. Just about maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. Get that in there, stir it up. Looks amazing. And then I have 1 cup chopped up bell pepper. You could use any bell pepper you want. I used a mixture of yellow and red. Dump that in. If you are a busy person like I am, this is a great dinner because we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes. So throw everything in the pot, cook for 20 minutes, shred the chicken, and you got a meal. No waiting around. That is 1½ cups of black beans, or just 1 can of black beans rinsed and drained. And this is 1½ cups petite chopped up tomatoes, 1 can, or 1½ cups of tomato. We have 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. Get it all in there because I love it. Move that over to the side. 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano. There's a difference between Mexican oregano and the regular oregano. You will love this one. It adds a really good earthy flavor to it. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin. Throwing that in there. Clean this up. Oh, smells amazing. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of enchilada sauce. You could use mild, spicy, medium. I'm more of a mild person, but I tend to add my spice in other ways. So put that in, and then we're gonna do 4 cups of chicken broth. Pour it all in there. Give it a little stir. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of frozen corn. Get it all in the pot. Easy as that. Then we're gonna add our 2 large chicken breasts. Now you could do the thighs if you prefer thighs. And just lay them in there. Perfect. And then you're gonna put the lid on, make sure it's on vent. And then you're gonna go ahead and cook for 20 minutes. And then we will take out the rest of the pressure, shred the chicken, put it back in, and give it a few toppings. Do you guys ever get excited when you're cooking something and it smells amazing and you're hungry and you just want to eat it just by the smell alone? This is the dish. We went ahead and took out the rest, we vented it, took out the rest of the pressure. I shredded and chopped up the chicken breasts, and we're gonna put them back in carefully as to not splash too much because, you know, I have a tendency. So you're just gonna very carefully put it back. Here we go. Get it all in there. Perfect. Scrape the bowl out. Lick the bowl out. Getting excited. Oh no, can you see that? Okay, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and serve it up. Just like that, dinner served. Throw it in the pot, shred the chicken, put it back in, everybody eats. Yum. Oh. Now you could garnish this with tortilla chips. I have diced up green onion. I have olives, chopped up black olives. I have some cilantro to give it a little bit of that kick, flavor, fresh herbs. Everybody likes cheese. I love cheese. You love cheese. I hope you love cheese. Unless you're vegan, you don't love this cheese, but you still love cheese. And then a little dollop of sour cream. Let me get a spoon out. Is that little bit of a dollop? A little bigger dollop. I like sour cream. Look at this bowl. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh, it's delicious and amazing. Now, I am not going to try it. I have somebody here who's going to give it a taste test. So here he is, Joe. Joe, come and try this out. Tell me what you think. It's piping hot. Oh, what do you think? Take a bite of that and tell me what you think. Oh boy, it's hot.
I like it.
Yeah? There you go. I hope you try this recipe at home. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Tell me what you think. Share some recipes. I'll try yours out. Thank you for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye.